Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the 4 home test kit that I ordered a couple weeks ago from USPS. So they will give you 4 of this home test kit, 4 of them for free in the household per address. If you have more than 4, then you are out of luck. Anyway, let's go and then unbox this and see what we got inside here. This one is the Eye Health COVID-19 antigen rapid test. So each package comes with 2 tests. Self-test at home result in 15 minutes. So you need to download the app. And here's the instruction. So you download the app from Google Play or App Store. And this one's the second kit. This one has a solution inside here. The cotton swab. So it says I use it within 1 hour after opening. So because this is in a seal bag. So first of all, you need to download the app, open the app, and scan the QR code. Register and log into the app. And then here's a step-by-step instruction. So you need to open the package and take out the COVID-19 test card and pouch. And then the tube pre-filled with the extraction solution, and then the swab. When you're ready to proceed the test, open the foil pouch of COVID-19 test card. And if you have a test too, it'll be different. So you need to open the cotton swab. Be sure not to touch the cotton. You need to open from this side first. Make sure you touch right here only instead of the cotton swab. And you're going to insert that to your nose 3/4 of an inch. And you're going to do that your left and right nose. Go around 5 times. You're going to tap the tube vertically on the table and twist the large orange cap to open the tube. So you need to open this one after you tapped it. And you're going to insert the cotton swab in there. And you will need to stir 15 times into the solution. Squeeze the side of the tube to express as much liquid as possible from the swab. And then remove the swab. So you need to squeeze right here. And you need to remove the stick. And then screw back the large orange cap. Put the swab back into the package. Safely dispose of the swab and then the package. And you need to add the sample. Twist the opening of the small white cap of the tube. Add 3 drops of it to the sample port of the COVID-19 test card. Screw back the small white cap. And you're going to wait 15 minutes for the result. So you need to read the result. Result should not be read after 30 minutes. So you need to look at it. Look carefully for a C line here. Look carefully for a T line here. So a positive result must show both a C line and a T line. A positive result means that viral antigen from COVID-19 were detected and the individual is positive for COVID-19. And then a negative result will show only a C line. A negative result means that the viral antigen from COVID-19 were not detected and that the individual is presumed negative for COVID-19. And then there is also an invalid result, either no line or there's a T line. And then here's a bunch of mumbo jumbo. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.